You know what to do. It's time to put your phone down and raise your attitude. The God who made the birds, sea, sun, and the moon isn't somewhere far away. He is standing in the room. So let it scream, let it shout, let him know what you're about. Keep it moving and grooving. Don't leave a single doubt that today is the day that the Lord has created.
Are you
Why
ready?
would I sit
Ready
around
na?
Let's have a celebration. It's time to clap our hands and stomp our feet. Let's have
Congratulations and mahal ka namin.
that Jesus set you free. It's time to celebrate. Don't sit there waiting. Let's have a celebration. Let's have a celebration. It's time to clap our hands and stomp our
Naalala ko sila nung college kami. Silang dalawa nung kasama nung bride. Naglalakad ako sa school tapos nakita ko silang dalawa magka-holding hands. Pagbalik ko hindi na sila magka-holding hands. Siguro nahiya sa akin.
Don't sit there waiting. Let's have a celebration. It's time to clap our hands and stomp our feet. Let's have a celebration. If you believe that Jesus set you free, it's time to celebrate. Don't sit there waiting. Let's have a celebration.
Magtagumpay man o hindi, tanging ang Diyos ang nakakaalam ng lahat ng bagay. So kapag pumasok ang isang tao sa pag-aasawa, ay dapat siyang handang talikuran ang nakaraan, ang buhay ng pagiging binata at dalaga. Handang harapin ang mga bagay na posibleng mangyari at handa sa pagsubok na darating. Taglay niya ang kahandaang tumayo upang maging mabuting magulang at gabay sa paghubog sa mga magiging.
God is in this story. God is in the details. Even in the broken parts, He holds my heart. He never.
From the moment we started a relationship, we've been praying for this day. And now, God has answered us. God did, and we made it.
Knows the one who goes before me. God is in this story.
Bawat sandaling magkasama tayo, nakita ko kung gaano maganda ang plano niya sa atin. Kaya ako ay sobrang nagpapasalamat sa Lord dahil binigay ka niya sa akin bilang aking katuwang, kaibigan at magiging asawa habang buhay.
Well, hold on tight to what you know. He promised He won't let you go. Your song of healing.
Bakit parang nasa 20s na ako until now, wala pa daw akong boyfriend, di pa ako nakaka-boyfriend. So that time, lagi ko lang sinasagot sa kanila is, kung ibibigay ng Lord, ibibigay ng Lord. And then yun, parang lahat ng pinag-pray ko kay Lord is nasa Kanya. So kaya siya yung parang hindi talaga ako totally, siguro second na ako yung nag-choose sa Kanya, and the first one is si God.
In this story. If it reads like addiction, if it reads like disease, He's the one who frees the prisoner.
He's the healer of all things.
If it reads like depression, if it reads broken home,
He's the one who holds your sorrow.
He won't leave you here.
I promise that you will never be alone as long as I am breathing.
God is in this story.
We will build our own happy family where our future children will see how much we love, support, and care of each other. I thank God for your life and for answering my prayer. I love you always.
Hindi man ako perfectong tao, pero sisikapin kong maging lalaking karapat-dapat sa iyo, isang asawang may takot sa Diyos, may paninindigan at may pusong tapat. Sa biyaya ng Diyos, panghahawakan ko ang pangakong ito habang buhay at tayo'y magiging isa magpakailanman. I love you with the love of the Lord.
Here in my story.